Hello all, this is Vinay Kumar, Faculty of Sociology at Sarat Chandra IAS Academy. Can a Bollywood movie teach sociology? Yes. In this video, let us understand ethnography very simply through taking the reference of Durandar movie. What is ethnography? Ethnography is an intense field study to understand a social group or its culture. Participant observation is one of the core methodology of ethnography, in which the researcher would become part of the natural settings of the society. He would stay within the society, with that society for 4 or 5 years. He will understand its language. He will understand the norms of that society, whereby he will try to collect data to understand the social dynamics of the society. He will understand the political dynamics which is present in that society. He will explore the culture, where through through this participant observation method, researcher will gather the data of that society. Exactly in Durandar movie, Ranveer Singh also enters into the Pakistan and joins one of the factional group and understand the social dynamics which is present within the Pakistan and tries to break that factional group from within itself, as how we have seen. So Ranveer Singh in Dhurandhar movie have done covert participant observation, whereby through that you see Indian intelligence is gathering the data. He gathered the data for Indian intelligence. So such a type of participant observation method is done by many sociologists. William White in Street Corner Society, he have seen that in Boston, Italian slums were there, where he have become part of that slums and he have understood the social dynamism, hierarchy which is present in that slums. So he understood that street gangs are not fighting amongst themselves. There is an organized hierarchy. There is a social dynamics which is present. So William White have done the participant observation method in studying Italian slums in Boston, and that study is famously referred as Street Corner Society. On the same line, Clifford Greaves also done participant observation research in studying in Bali. He have studied the Balinese cockfighting event. In this Balinese cockfighting event, he did not see it as an event. He saw around this event, around this cockfighting event, he have seen the social dynamism which is present, how the society is structured, how the social dynamics is present in this society. Therefore, ethnography is a field study, and in this field study, participant observation method is one of the important tool. How in Durandar movie we got insider information through Ranveer Singh. So this is how in my classes I will try to simplify sociological concepts as simple as it can. I have seen many students are not comfortable reading with research methods, but recently UPSC is asking more questions from research methods. Last year 30 marks have been asked from research methods. Before last year 40 marks has been asked from research method. So this is how I am going to simplify the so-called difficult concepts very simply by taking analogies, by linking with the famous example, such that students can ingrain sociological concepts very easily. So we at Sarat Chandra IAS Academy are launching new sociology batch. We are eagerly waiting for you to join this batch. Thank you.